दी बॉल दी. हांव आमचे चीफ गेस्ट आदले व्हॉलीबॉल खेळाडू श्री रवी नाईक सरांक विनंती करता की ताणीन एक स्मॅश मारून आयच्या ह्या सर्तीचे उद्घाटन करचे. आशुतोष बॉल दी. ही जावन आसा 5वी अखिल भारतीय व्हॉलीबॉल सर्त. ह्या सर्तीचे पयली मॅच जातली आता ती जावन आसतली समर वॉरियर्स आणि युनायटेड बुल्स हांच्या मजगतीन. बेस्ट ऑफ 3 सेट्स. आयज आणि फाल्यां दोनूय दीस लीग पद्दतीन मॅची खेळिल्ल्यो वतल्यो. आजची पयली मॅच समर वॉरियर्स आणि युनायटेड बुल्स. हाजे नंतरची मॅच जातली ती युनायटेड बुल्स वर्सीस के बॉयज. आणि आजच्या दिसाची तिसरी मॅच जातली ती आसतली समर वॉरियर्स आणि के बॉयज हांच्या मजगतीन. हे सर्तीचे पयले इनाम जावन आसा 1 लाख रुपया. दुसरे इनाम 50,000. तिसरी प्लेसीचे इनाम जावन आसा 30,000. चौथी प्लेस 20,000. तसेच बेस्ट स्मॅशर, बेस्ट लिफ्टर, बेस्ट डिफेंडर आणि मॅन ऑफ द टोर्नामेंट हांकां बायसिकल्स 21 गियराच्यो बायसिकल्स दिल्यो वतल्यो. तशेंच दर मॅची फाटल्यान मॅन ऑफ द मॅच जातली. आमचे मुखेल सोयरे टॉस उडयता आजच्या ह्या पयल्या मॅचीची. स्मॅश मारून या टोर्नामेंटाचे उद्घाटन करता. आणि स्मॅश मारून या टोर्नामेंटाचे उद्घाटन जाल्ले आसा. आता सर्व्हिस घेता रितेश. पॉइंट घेतिल्लो आसा सरान. सर्व्हिस पॉइंट. हांव सगळे मान्यवरांक विनंती करता की ताणीन येवन माचयेर बसका घेवची जेणे करून तांकां ह्या खेळाचो आनंद घेवपाक मेळटलो. सगळे खेळ प्रेम्यांक एक आनंदाची गोष्ट हांगा हाऊजीस आसतल्यो. आमचे भुरगे तुमचे कडेन हाऊजी घेवन येतले तेन्ना त्यो घेवच्यो. Now mic is over to our commentator.
January 2021. National Teams Tournament, Captain Asian Championship Under 23, winning silver medal in Myanmar 2019. South Asian Games gold medal in 2019. Asian Games in 2018. Profession, works in Income Tax Department in Delhi. Hobbies, traveling, swimming. Started playing volleyball at the age of 9 for school level. Then also has played national team in 2016. South Asian Games Guwahati. And he is pure vegetarian. Weight 96 kg, spike height 345 centimeter, block height 320 centimeter, position attacker, profession Karnataka Postal Department, achievements senior national gold medal in Chennai in 2019, 2 times gold medal in Federation Cup, 1 silver in Federation Cup, awarded best attacker at 34th All India Postal Volleyball Tournament in 2019, Pro Volleyball League, Black Hawks Hyderabad in 2019, Kochi Blue Spikers in 2021 and 2022. Started playing volleyball at a very young age for school and played in Youth India Under 19 in 2014, held in Sri Lanka. Has played in Dubai as well as Kuwait. His hobbies: hitting gym regularly, bike riding, listening music and watching movies. And his favorite dish is all seafood. Also we have Silva Pandi from Chennai, born on 30th of June, height 196 centimeters, weight 90 kg, spike height 336 centimeter, position blocker, profession Southwestern Railways, junior national gold medal in Uttarakhand in 2016, youth national silver in 2017, all India inter-university gold medal at Tripura in 2018, All India Inter-University Silver Medal at Haryana in 2017, played for Railways in 2019 Federation Cup, part of Tamil Nadu volleyball team, hobbies: watching and playing football, watching adventure movies, listening western music, and favorite dish, as I said, is prawns fry. Also for Summer Warriors, we have Hemant Naik, who belongs to Goa Police. Position center blocker, height 193 centimeter. He is the tallest in Goa. Weight 85 kg. Spike height 300 centimeter. Block height 280 centimeter. Profession Goa Police. And individuals awards, player of the tournament at Maina Kurtorim and player of the tournament recently in Saipem as well. So best wishes to both the teams who are playing the inaugural match, United Bulls versus Summer Warriors. And may the best team win. It will be a cracker of the match for the spectators watching this match live from Whaling, as well as over thousands of viewers joining us on Goa Livecast through YouTube. The officials for this tournament: Sir Rajesh Shanbag, national referee; Sir Amog Gore, national referee. Sir Amit Pitre, state referee. Sir Jayvant GH, national referee. Sound system, a lovely sound system which can be heard many kilometers away from the venue. Shanta Sound from Ponda. YouTube Live, Goa Live Cast. Thanks to Nikhil Dangi, Tejas Naik, Sachin and Akshay Khande Parkar, the unit of Goa Live Cast. Once again to the viewers who have just joined us, on the right hand side in purple jersey we have United Bulls, and on the left hand side in orange jersey we have Summer Warriors. Summer Warriors to serve. Prasanna Raja to serve for the very first time in this tournament. Lovely serve, well received as well. What a smash, well taken, but it's too long, as the line belongs to the referee here. As United Bulls open their account. Vishwambar serving for United Bulls. Oh, lovely smash right in the court from jersey number 4, Ashwik Gowde, opening the account for Summer Warriors. It's 1-all. Very well received. Oh, just slightly confusing his own player. And in the end, point for Summer Warriors. 2-1. Vaman Ghadi to serve. Good service, well received. This time jersey number 4 for United Bulls, Shashank. Oh, good smash. The block was not that strong enough. Scores are level once again. So cat and mouse game being played at the moment. Jersey number 12, Manoj coming in. Oh, good block. Oh, what a smash this is from Silva Pandi. He absolutely nailed that one. And will be serving now. Good smash, good block, very good block this time. No chance to pierce through. They are exceeding the lead 4-2. Tossed up serve this time. Good smash, very good smash. Reduce the lead 3-4. Serve. Oh, what a smash this is! An absolutely perfect smash this time from Amit Gulia. Block, but halfway through, and this time making no mistake with the smash. 4-5. Shashank to serve. Long serve this time. Very well received, but half-hearted. As another point has been achieved, half a dozen of points for Summer Warriors. 6-4. Amit to serve. Very well received once again. Oh, good block. Double block this time. Oh, good positioning. Very well placed, but very alert. And point earned here by United Bulls. 5-6. Oh, very well received this time. Hemant, oh, diving effort, but couldn't earn a point, as a point has been earned here by Summer Warriors. 7-5. Hemant Naik to serve, the tallest Goan volleyball player. Good block. Excellent block. Oh, once again. Oh, perfect placement this time. Smart thinking. Knows the geometry of this court very well. 6-7. Sudeep Shetty to serve. Too long this time. 8-6. Prasanna Raja to serve. A good block. And point here for United Bulls. 7-8. Vishwambar to serve. Oh, lovely smash. He absolutely hammered that one. 8-all. What a comeback this has been from United Bulls. Oh, wonderful smash this time from Silva Pandey. They take a lead 9-8. So from Vaman Gadi. Very long this time. Point to Summer Warriors. The score moving to double digit. 8. As Vaman to continue with his serve, Vaman Gadi. Good smash, good block. Silva Pandey, what a smash! Absolutely smashing an omelette on the frying pan. The lead extends 11-8. Oh, what a smash this one. Just piercing through the defense. 9-11. The captain, Jai Kunkulekar, to serve. Silva Pandey is making things look easy. He's taking the attack to the opposition here. And now will be serving. Silva Pandey to serve. 12-9. Oh, lovely, lovely smash. Vishant with the smash. 10-12. Naveed Khan to serve. Oh, perfectly placed with the smash. Ashwek Gowde will be serving for Summer Warriors. 13-10. Oh, good block, but too long, and point earned here by United Bulls. Score 11-13. Not much difference between the two teams. Hemant with the smash and perfectly placed once again. He's making his experience count. 14-11. Amit Gulia to serve. Oh, lovely, lovely smash. Just like an ace here. No reply from the opponent. First time out for United Bulls. Time to regroup. We can see the stands have been almost filled up. And every match, man of the match has been sponsored by Ambe Parvatkar, as we have been told. Lovely, lovely this time. It's 12-15. Vishant to serve for United Bulls. Another point here. So they are trying to reduce the lead. 13-15 now. Trying to make a comeback in this first set. Lovely, lovely smash once again. It's 14-15. Within no time, the lead has been reduced. Tossed up serve. Good smash, but slightly outside the line, as the line belongs to the referee. Another point. Scores are level now. 15 all. Two out and another point. Finally, Summer Warriors gains the lead here. 16-15 as Hemant will be serving. Oh, good block. Excellent block this time. 17-15. Well received. Oh, fingertips on the ball this time. That block couldn't earn a point for Summer Warriors, but a point earned by United Bulls. 16-17. Sudeep Shetty to serve. Oh, what a smash once again. Silva Pandey. Toe crushing smashes here from Silva Pandey. Point for United Bulls. 17-18. Vishwambar to serve. Lovely smash once again. And they take lead 19-17 Summer Warriors. Vaman Gadi to serve. Point for United Bulls. 18-19. They are going neck to neck. What a contest between these two teams at the moment. Silva Pandey this time. Smart move by him. 20-18. Raisen Ribello coming in, replacing Silva Pandey. Very well received. Oh, what a block this is. A valuable point earned as we inch closer to the end of the first set. 19-20. Another replacement this time for United Bulls. Samir comes in to replace Navid Khan. Lovely blocking. And point earned here by Summer Warriors. They lead 21 points to 19. Another point earned here. Error from United Bulls. Unforced error, as we say. Ashwik to serve. Oh, very well placed by Sudeep Shetty. Score 20-22. The current year going on 2022 and the score is also 20-22. Oh, nailing the smash once again. 23-22 points away from the first set. Second timeout for United Bulls. They lead by 3 points, 23-20. The crowd not moving even an inch. Ten in. So Rudresh coming in, replacing Vishwambar for United Bulls. Oh, good service. Oh, what a smash this is. Jersey number 6, Sudeep Shetty, hammering the ball in the opponent's corner. Another replacement. Navid Khan comes in, replacing Samir. Good serve. Oh, perfect placement. Perfect placement. This is some sensible move from Summer Warriors as they lead 24 points to 21. Another replacement. Rudresh comes out being replaced by Vishwambar. Lovely smash. 20-24. Neck to neck. United Bulls need a few points to make a comeback in this set. Otherwise, Summer Warriors will be Yes, it's time for Housey. It has been sponsored by Presley. 100 rupees, 3 Housey tickets, and the winner will be richer by rupees 5,000. So the volunteers will be coming around you with the Housey tickets. 3 tickets for rupees 100. Winners will be richer by rupees 5,000. We are all set for the second set. United Bulls to serve. Ashwik Gowde. Correction. Shashank to serve. Oh, deft touch here from Silva Pandey. Prasanna Raja to serve. One love. Oh, what a service this was. Very well received. What a smash. Silva Pandey. Today the day belongs to him. His toe crushing smashes are very tough to be picked up by the opponents. Oh, this time couldn't cross the court as the ball strikes the net. 1-2 as United Bulls open their account in the second set. Samir to serve. This time the point goes to United Bulls. 2 points on the trot as the scores are level. 2-all. Oh, deft touch and point on here by Summer Warriors. गाडी नंबर GA05D6764 यांच्यानी मातशी वाटेर गाडी पार्क केल्ली आहा ती मातशी गाडी काडची. लोकलाक वचपाक प्रॉब्लम जाता. Oh, what a smash! What a take this is! A diving effort but couldn't keep the ball in play. Acrobatic effort this time. 3-all. Others to serve. Good block this is. But went outside the line. Silva Pandey winning the point and also to serve. 4-3. Oh, absolutely hammering the ball into the opponent's corner this time. It's 4-all. Good block, but very well received. Oh, what a smash! Amit Gulia is making things look easy for Summer Warriors. Ashwik Gowde to serve for Summer Warriors. Hemant this time making error and point to United Bulls as the scores are level 5-all. Amit Gulia. Good take this time. What a difference that take has made. It's unbelievable what we have witnessed a few seconds ago. Rudresh to serve for United Bulls. They lead 6-5. Oh, the point earned here and scores are level 6 all. Amit Gulia to serve for Summer Warriors. Oh, good serve once again. That brush the fingertips. Jersey number 10, Vaman Ghadi, doing the job for Summer Warriors as they take the lead in the second set, 7-6. Oh, what a smash! But not able to keep the ball in play. Manoj to serve, correction. Vishan to serve for United Bulls. Once again, Vaman Ghadi earning a point for Summer Warriors. As the score moves on to 8-7, as Summer Warriors take the lead. Hemant to serve. Lovely receive. And too long this time. Another point as they extend the lead. 9-7. Hemant to continue. As United Bulls make a comeback by earning a point, trying to reduce the lead. 8-9. Shashank to serve for United Bulls. Fingertips. Oh, lovely placement. GA05D6764. मातशी तुमची गाडी काडची कित्याक प्रवाशांक येवपाक वचपाक आडखळ जाता. मातशी तुमची गाडी काडची बेगीन. कार गाडी रस्त्याच्या मदींत लायल्या मातशी बेगीन काडची. एक विनंती. Oh, an ace attempted but too long. 9-10. Samir to serve for United Bulls. What a smash once again. Vaman Ghadi. Chota packet, bada dhamaka, you can call him. Oh, lovely, lovely smash. Rudresh gaining a point for United Bulls. 10-11. Others to serve. And it's too long. Silva Pandi to serve. Oh, what a smash. What a smash this was. It took the opponents by surprise. Hardly any reaction time for the opponents to react. Oh, too long. Losing out on an opportunity as some Warriors gain the lead 13 points to 11. Ashwik Gowde to serve for Summer Warriors. Too long, trying for a cross-court shot. Another point lead for Summer Warriors. They lead by 14 points to 11. Lovely, lovely smash by Shashank for United Bulls. Another error this time from Amit Gulia. Rudresh to continue with the serve. 13-14. Silva Pandey. Oh, good block, double block. Once again double block, but this time not that strong enough. Another point earned and scores are level. What a comeback this has been from United Bulls. Hope still alive because they have to make or break in this set. Oh, lovely smash, but well received. Oh, well received once again. What a take this time. Lovely take. And appreciated by the crowd as well. But the point goes to United Bulls as they take a lead now. 15-14. It was an extraordinary take from Amit Gulia. Oh, lovely smash, but well received from the opponents. This time, Amit Gulia attempting something different. Oh, no chance this time. As point earned from the smash of Amit Gulia. It's 15 all. And Amit Gulia will be serving. Point to United Bulls. They take lead 16-15. Replacement jersey number 14 comes in. Ajay coming in for United Bulls. Good service. Oh, good receive once again. Oh, another point. Now they extend the lead. First time in this match we have seen Summer Warriors under some sort of pressure. 17-15. Ryson Rebello comes in. Amit Gulia. Just remember the name. Hemant comes out as he's been replaced by Amol Salelkar. What a block this is. And it's too long. Inches from the line. As scores have been once again leveled. And Summer Warriors are making a comeback in this match, in this set. Good block, excellent block, but the ball going outside the line, deviating. And a point has been earned here by United Bulls as they take the lead once again in the second set, 18 points to 17. Oh, very well placed. Some deft touches can be seen now from Summer Warriors. Prasanna Raja to serve for Summer Warriors, 18 all on the score sheet. Oh, good block. What a receive this has been. Good block once again. But the point goes to United Bulls as they take the lead in the second set. 19 points to 18. Ryson Rebello. He is making his presence felt. Vaman Gadi to serve. Lovely smash once again. And United Bull takes the lead. 20-19. Ajay to serve for United Bulls. Ryson Rebello, good receive. This is from United Bulls. Amit Gulia once again with an astonishing smash. As the scores are level, it's 20 all. Hemant comes in and replaces Amol Salelkar. Ryson Rebello to serve for Samar Wari. Oh, couldn't hold on. 21-20. 21-20. United Bulls once again in the lead in the second set. As Naved Khan is all set to serve. Oh, good receive. And keeping the ball in play. Amit Gulia. He is killing at the moment. Dramatic scenes out here in the second set. It is swinging like a pendulum from one side to the other. Oh, good smash. Another point lead, 22-21. United Bulls looking to grab that second set and to take the match in the decider. Amit Gulia once again. He is the main threat for their opponents. United Bulls taking a timeout. Scores are level. Both the teams reuniting. They know this is a make or break. It's a must-win situation for United Bulls. As Summer Warriors have already taken one set lead and they are in the driver's seat at the moment. A pressure cooker situation as Amit Gulia to serve. And point earned here and lead taken by Summer Warriors. 23-22. Amit Gulia with his consecutive serve. Can he grab couple of points and take the match in their favor? Oh, this time an unforced error from Amit Gulia. And a much needed breakthrough for United Bulls as they level the score. How costly will that error turn out to be for Summer Warriors? Only the coming time will tell in the second set. 23 all. Vishwambar to serve for United Bulls. He's taking a deep breath before taking the serve. Oh, lovely smash. What a smash. Vaman Gadi has been doing the job for Summer Warriors. 24-23. Match point for Summer Warriors. Can United Bulls keep the hopes alive? And it's 24 all. Dramatic scenes once again. Oh, lovely smash! Well received. Oh, good receive. They are not letting the hopes down. Oh, what a volley this is turning out to be. The longest volley in the match. The longest volley of the match so far. Amit Gulia. Oh, and it's 25-24. A match point for Summer Warriors. What a nail-biting set this is turning out to be. And second time out for United Bulls. या मॅचच्या मागीर लक्ष्मी योग अकॅडमी यांच्याकडल्यान योग प्रत्यक्षिका जातली. Fingers crossed as Summer Warriors are serving for the match. Prasanna Raja with the serve. Oh, it's long. It's long. 25 all. They require 2 points on the trot. 2 points on the trot to win this set. Oh, what a smash this time. Silva Pandi. 26-25. Vaman Gadi with the serve. Well received, well received. Very well placed. Set as well as the match in favor of Summer Warriors as they open their account in this 5th All India Volleyball Tournament organized by V4 Whaling. A big congratulations to Summer Warriors and hard luck, but you can still make a comeback, United Bulls. हॅलो थँक्यू डीजे. परत एकदा हाऊजीचे रिमाइंडर सगळ्यांक. आमचे व्हॉलंटियर्स तुमचे हाऊजीच्यो टिकेट्स घेवन येतले. 100 रुपयान 3 टिकेटी आनी जिखतल्याक 5000 मेळटले. पूण एक मात तुमचे कडेन 3 टिकेटी एकठांय आसपाक जाय. टिकेट्स पिनलेल्यो आसपाक जायना. 3 टिकेटी वांगडा आसपाक जाय. थोड्योच तिकेटी उरल्या. सो आमचे व्हॉलंटियर्स तुमच्या मजगतीत येतले. बेगीतले बेगीन तिकेटी घ्या. 100 रुपयांक 3 तिकेटी आणि 100 रुपयान 5000 घरा व्हरपाची तुमचे कडेन संधी आसतली. सो टायम काडू नाका आणि पैसे गमोव नाका.
हॅलो. आता तुमच्या मुखार हांगासर लक्ष्मी योग अकॅडमी हांची भुरगीं योग प्रात्यक्षिका दाखयतले. तेन्ना सगळ्यांक विनंती आसा की ह्या भुरग्यांक तुमी ताळयो मारून तांची उर्बा वाडोवची, तांचे स्वागत करचें. लक्ष्मी योग अकॅडमी वेलिंग. हॅलो हॅलो. वीणा पर्वतकर मॅडम आसत जाल्यार स्टेजी लागीं येवची. थंयच रावा, थंयच रावा. कोण मॅन ऑफ द मॅच कोण? And the man of the match of today's match is none other than Amit Gulia. I request Amit Gulia to please come on the stage, and I request Mrs. Veena Parvatkar to give away this prize to Mr. Amit Gulia, the star player of Summer Warriors. The man of the match of today's match. Madam, the man of the match of today's match, Mr. Amit Gulia. The trophy and the cash prize of 2,000 rupees is sponsored by Ambe Parvatkar, our Goan who is playing international cricket in Dubai.